Smoke in my eyes, soot in my hair, cinders in my shoes. I'm watching the needle falling away in the great blues. Well, we're running late in the sorry state on 8215. She's overdue.
Alright, welcome back to Vintage Engines of Derbyshire. Let's take the Massey for a spin. So, let's jump on. Clutch in. We want reverse this time. Handbrake off. Watch where we're going. Take it nicely back. All good. Right. Now, go on, in gear, bit of revs, and away we go. That is how you drive a Massey. Dead easy, simple to do. Driving the Massey. I'll see you in the next one.